Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys new coupons to print. I did kind of go through what we have. I'm not finding anything that's really popping out, but I'm still going to share with you guys on this. Now I do print my coupons on swag bucks because I get points for every coupon that I print. And then I also get points for every coupon that I redeem. So just say with that in case you guys want to save up. And if you guys are new to watching this channel, if you guys have a lot of points accumulated, if you guys need them before Thanksgiving, definitely start redeeming them today. I think today might be like the last day unless stuff comes sooner, but just giving you guys a heads up with that. But here they got some new coupons to print. I'm not finding anything that's really wow. There is a chic coupon, which I don't think my inserts get chic anymore. So I'm going to definitely print these off. I'm going to just kind of scroll down because these are all old ones unless you guys need to do it. But we do have a clear out, which is always available. And then we have a $4 off chic. We have a $1 off Loctite if you guys want to print that off. Otherwise, that is pretty much it. There's really not much else that's really popping out. It's kind of a slow week, but we do have the P&G inserts that we got in today's paper, so there is that. But otherwise, that's pretty much it, you guys. Just chic. Ben & Jerry's is still available. Persil is still available if you guys haven't printed that off. Kleenex is still available. Ben & Jerry's, Lysol, Ben & Jerry's, yeah. So just wanted to share with you guys on that in case you guys need some coupons to print. Again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.